Welcome to PABX and Electronics. Please subscribe, like and share. Thanks. This video is from Telephone Exchange Panasonic TDA100D. OGM recording and activation. Let me tell you, by recording for one trunk, record separately for each trunk as many as you have. Pick up the handset. Star 3 6 1 5 0 1. Start recording after the beep. Welcome to PABX and Electronics. Dial up your desired extension number, otherwise dial 0 to get operator guidance. Thank you. Press store key for save. Welcome to PABX and Electronics. Dial up your desired extension number. The recording exchange will repeat. DISA delay time setting. In the default setting, DISA answers after 3 rings in case of an outside call. If you want to increase or decrease the time, this is the method. PGM code 209. DISA delay answer. Enter 05 0 0. Press store key for save. Now DISA will respond after 1 ring. Activate the OGM according to this table. PGM code 450. Enter. Again enter. Daytime. Enter. Enter. EXT 501. Press store key for save. Next OGM, EXT 502. Do the rest of the recording as per your need. How to check the recording again. Pick up the handset. Star 3 6 2 5 0 1. Welcome to PABX and Electronics. Dial up your desired extension number, otherwise dial 0 to get operator guidance. Thank you. Video is over. Thanks for watching.